dig it?
Yeah, boy!
What's going on YouTube? Quick video here on my Pixel 3 XL. This is not the 3A, by the way. Hashtag TEAMPIXEL on deck. I went ahead and installed Android 10 on here, or Android Q, whatever you want to call it. And I just wanted to show you that this is the beta. I believe it's beta 3. I tried beta 1, but I believe the reason why I went back to my stable build is because GPS was acting buggy on the beta 1. So I went ahead and tried it now. This is beta 3. It's pretty easy to do if you have a eligible device. You just go to Android beta program. You can Google that and it'll just show you your list of devices that are eligible, and you can, if you have a Pixel 3 or Pixel 3 XL or a whole, I think even the 6T and stuff like that, you can actually go ahead and test this out. But just wanted to show you quickly. It's not, well, it is pretty stable, but some of the apps don't work. They're not optimized from Android Q. Like for instance, my PNC Bank, you can see it keeps crashing. So some of the apps are not optimized. All the other ones are pretty optimized, but some of them are not. Just a heads up. But just wanted to show you guys that I am running this version here. You guys can see version 10, Android security patch May 5th, and you can see the build number there, which is third build number. And I just wanted to show you the navigations on here. So the navigations on here are pretty tripped out. They're kind of like what's on the iPhone, the newer iPhones, believe it or not, that don't have the home button. It kind of reminds me of that. If you swipe, if you swipe all the way up, you go into the app drawer, swipe up, quick swipe up, take you back home. And if you swipe up and hold, you can go into this app switcher here. So it's pretty nice. Let me show you, go into Twitter real quick, and I want to show you how to go into different, how to use the back button actually. So if I go into, shout out to Mobile Geezer, go into his OnePlus 7 Pro photo on there. It's pretty nice, and it shows you the photo. Now if you want to back up from here, now all you do is swipe from the side, I believe, yes, and you get the little arrow there, and you can do it on this side too. It'll take you back, and if you do it again, it'll take you back again. So that's the back button now on the new gestures for the Pixel. Let me go ahead and take you home now and go back to settings, and we could go into settings real quick, and I'll show you where you can check these out. And right here, system and gestures right here, you can do the squeeze and all that. But here you can see, if you swipe down to system navigation, in here you got a little description of how it works, and it kind of explains to you of how fully gestural navigation works, which is what I'm using now. The 2-button navigation is the previous one. You can see it on the bottom, how it goes back to the home button, and then you got the back button on the side. And then the other one is just the regular one we're used to. So yeah, I've been testing this one out. So far I like it. And also the dark theme, if you go back in here and I go into display, you can see that now we have a dark theme, and you can do the light theme, dark theme. So it darkens out everything. It's pretty nice. And we swipe over here. So this is what's buggy right now for me, is when I try to swipe over for like the Google Now cards, I notice it's not letting me go. And if I long press and go into home settings, you can see that it is turned on. So I'm not sure, maybe I'm doing something wrong, but it's not, sometimes it's not letting me do it. You can see there, it's not letting me go into the Google Now cards. So swipe up. Even if I clear everything out, it's still not letting me go. So that's a little bug that I've noticed on here. If I turn it off and turn it back on, and now it should let me go. See, so that's the little bug that I found after you start using like these back buttons for some reason. See, it cancels it out. Okay, now it'll work. It's just buggy. But overall, it's been pretty good. I like the dark theme. You can see there that everything's dark, super dark. I mean, pitch black dark, and you can see the toggles are like a light blue there. But so far, it's been running pretty good. Let me see what else. I haven't really noticed. There goes my back. See the back button? Boom. So I'm just getting used to that. Let me see. Other than that, I haven't seen much difference yet. I mean, I just installed it. We have digital well-being, Google services, and tips and all that. So we go in here and you can see it just gives you the usual stuff. I like the back. I just got to get used to going back. See the little arrow there? Once I get here and do it here, now I can't get it. Okay, well now it's letting me do it. Oh, I guess I gotta go from the edge. Maybe I'm too okay. Okay, maybe I was doing it wrong. If I go from directly the edge, or maybe it's the height thing. I'm not sure. I just gotta get used to it. But yeah, Android Q on the Pixel 3 XL. Check it out, man. Hashtag TEAMPIXEL. It's pretty sweet. If you just want to, mess with it and see how it's running on your phone, check it out. We out.